One of my favorite things to do is, I don't know if you can see, it's raining outside. Well, it's kind of stopped, but is to have my kitty lay on me and read a book. And look, I'm reading this really good book called Her Mother's Hope by Francine Rivers, and it's really, really good. It's like very inspirational so far. I don't know, it's just like a really great book. So if you need a book suggestion, there's another one, a second part, I can't remember what it's called right now. I have it over here. It's like Her Daughter's Dream or something. Very good book. Still have yet to tackle the laundry, but I'll get to it. Hello.
Looking at us weekly because I didn't realize that these guys broke up.
It's heartbreaking, isn't it? Look how talented I am.
Yeah, Lorraine.
Bitches want to get cut. I'm so talented.
You just don't like her to get standard.
This is so unnecessary.
Look, motherfucker.
No, I just did this today. I was like, this bitch walked in. It's like 6:30 or 6:15. She's like, I was just saying, do y'all close at 6? I said, no, we close at 5:30. And she starts walking in. Are you fucking stupid? We closed 45 minutes ago.
Did you say we're closed?
I was like, no, we closed at 5:30. I said, we just run a little behind today.
So this is pretty much what every Wednesday night consists of. This is the spot right here. It's where all the gossip happens. I have a secret. I've been ashamed to tell anyone. Since it's really dark outside, I'm gonna walk Katie out. Do you feel safe now?
I do.
Alright, let me lead the path. Oh. Can you, oh, you can't even see me. I'm leading the pack. My awesome. I have my Arabic necklace on today. Uh-oh, don't want to be copying.